Friends, today I want to tell you something that might make you feel a little uncomfortable. After researching success and failure for the past 25 years, I've realized one thing. The difference between where you are today and where you want to reach isn't about talent, luck, or opportunity. If there is one single difference, it is discipline. Most people misunderstand discipline. They think it's a punishment or a set of restrictions. But true discipline is simply choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Motivation might show you the path, but only discipline helps you walk it. Today, we'll explore how small daily errors can ruin your life and how tiny disciplines can make you extraordinary. Nature has a very strange way of working. The effects of small mistakes aren't visible immediately, and that is the biggest trap. One chocolate won't make you obese today, but eating it every day for 20 years will lead to a serious problem. One cigarette won't kill you, but smoking a pack a day for 30 years definitely can. Whether you eat a salad or a burger, your weight doesn't change in a single night. If you waste $200 today, your bank account isn't destroyed instantly. Because there is no immediate pain, we become careless. But remember this, the pain of discipline is minor, but the pain of regret is heavy and overwhelming. You must decide today which pain you are willing to endure. Let me share a story of two friends, Amit and Sumit. Both were 20 years old, had the same job, and earned the same salary. Amit decided to read for just 15 minutes a day and save 10% of his income. He also started arriving at work 15 minutes early. Sumit decided to watch Netflix every day, saved nothing, and sometimes even took small loans to fund his lifestyle. After 1 week, there was no difference between them. After 1 year, the difference was barely noticeable. But after 10 years, their worlds were poles apart. Amit was now the owner of his own company with a great bank balance and a happy family. Meanwhile, Sumit was still complaining about his boss and his difficult life, with nothing left in his pocket at the end of the month. The moral is clear. Nothing happens in a day, but one day everything changes. Why do people fail to be disciplined? It's because of the comfort zone. Everything that is easy to do is also easy not to do. Eating an apple every day is easy, but not eating it is just as easy. Reading 10 pages a day is easy, but not reading them is just as easy. Saving a small amount of money is easy, but spending it is easy too. The problem is that neglect starts with just one missed day. You tell yourself, "I'll start tomorrow," but that tomorrow never comes. Before you know it, years have passed, and you wonder how you ended up so far behind. Success isn't a massive event, it is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Most people fail because they let their emotions rule their lives. Your emotions are your worst advisors. They will tell you to eat junk food, skip the gym, spend money recklessly, and quit when things get tough. Successful people don't live by how they feel. They ask themselves, what needs to be done right now? Imagine you commit to reading 10 pages a night. It only takes 15 minutes. But you come home tired and your emotions say, just sleep. If you give in, months pass and you've learned nothing. But if you are disciplined, if you read those pages before checking your phone or eating breakfast, look at the result. In 1 month, you've read 300 pages. In a year, that's 12 books. Those 12 books will change your thoughts, your possibilities, and the very person you are.
Finally, apply this to your money and your time. If you can't save 10% of your income now, you won't save it when you earn more. Remember, the borrower is a servant to the lender. Treat your time like money. Budget it. If you waste 3 hours a day on unimportant things, you are wasting 1,000 hours a year. Discipline in one area of life, like your health or finances, will naturally spread to your relationships and your work. Don't try to change your whole life overnight. Pick one small thing: waking up 30 minutes earlier, reading 10 pages, or walking every evening. Do it every single day without excuses. Don't wait for motivation or the right time. Start today, because discipline is the power that turns your dreams into a meaningful reality. Start your journey of discipline today. I'll see you in the next video.